Hello, and thank you for joining us here at Sporty's Pilot Shop. Today we want to talk about Microsoft Flight Simulator on the Xbox platform. Unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure you have seen that the new Microsoft Flight Simulator program is a very detailed and vivid program. It's brought a lot of joy to flight simmers recently, and as of July of this year, it made the transition to the Xbox platform. Now it is only available on the Xbox X as in X-ray and the Xbox S as in Sierra. But if you are able to get one of those systems, which are mass produced now, so there's no more guessing on, do I have enough storage or will my CPU work for this program? If you're able to get one of those programs, you're going to need some hardware to work with said program. Now right now there are only a few Xbox compatible pieces on the market. It's because of a chip that is needed to be inside of the hardware to enumerate on the Xbox platform. So a few of the pieces that we offer that we think are great to make sure you can fly on the Xbox program, similar to the airplane, is the Thrustmaster brand. And we're going to start off with the Thrustmaster Hotas1. This is, as you can see, two hardware pieces that are connected by cord, but you can move them to your configuration. So you could go right seat or left seat, whichever is preferable to you. The throttle is controlled with a movable lever. So we have full aft, we have a détente at about 50%, and then we have full throttle right here. We also have multiple customizable buttons, and then we have bumpers on the back side of the throttle for, say, your rudder trim. So that's our throttle. And then when it comes to the stick, we have, as you would guess, pitch taken care of. We have roll. But another feature that a lot of people overlook when it comes to flight simulator sticks is you can also control the yaw by twisting of said stick. So you've got pitch, roll, yaw, and then also your engine management. So kind of a stop or end all piece to take care of all the flight simulation capabilities in the Xbox platform. And for around $100, it is one very much worth considering. So that is the Thrustmaster Hotas1. If you want to increase the realism, you can then add some rudder pedals to your Xbox platform. These are the Thrustmaster Flight Rudder Pedals, Tfrps. As you can see, they each ride on two separate bars here to increase the feel and motion of these. They also have toe braking capabilities. As you can see, they alternately move forward and aft. And then the heel well right here. If your feet don't feel comfortable on here, you can take these pieces off, give your feet more of a natural resting point. That way you're flying in a more comfortable situation. And then lastly, from Thrustmaster, if you'd like to increase the noise or the clamping feel on your head, similar to flying in a real airplane, we have the Thrustmaster US Air Force Edition headset. Again, this is a great piece that is compatible with the Xbox. It will allow you to hear the engine noises of the simulated airplane, which Microsoft put a lot of work into making sure is similar to the real aircraft you're flying in. And it also opens up the door to if you want to practice your communications with ATC or the tower, which this simulator really offers a lot of abilities. This is worth considering. And again, with the Thrustmaster line. So those are the three Thrustmaster options that currently work with the Xbox S or the Xbox S. They're great pieces. I fly with all three of them. And as more and more pieces come out, we'll continue to expand the Xbox compatible line. We hope this video was informative, may have answered a question or two you have when it comes to simming on the Xbox platform. And as always, we hope you have fun digitally flying.